Hey, welcome back to the homestead. This week we're going to do a project for my wife. It's something she's always wanted. We're going to build a grader for the back of a tractor. Living out here in East Texas, with all the rain, our iron ore driveway gets torn up a whole bunch. So before we get some asphalt, or some crushed asphalt brought in, we're going to build a grader. All right, let's get to it. Hey guys, well, I got the grader done, at least ready for testing. I'm going to try it out, do one of my favorite things on the property and move some dirt around. Before I paint everything, I definitely want to make sure it's functional and kind of the design I want. I might add a couple things depending on how the day goes. So let's go move some dirt around. I'll show you what I'm going to look at. So the plan is to put a pole barn in back here. But before we do, we gotta get all this cleared up. Pretty much from that T-post over there on an extension of this existing barn. All right. Well, let's try to get to it. So all in all, I think it did pretty good. And this is really made for more of the pasture where it's not wet clay. But even in this wet clay, smoothed it out pretty well, even with that big hole I just dug. So I think this is going to work out pretty good.